Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Computer and Technology channel. Today's lecture, we are going to learn how to create a table in Microsoft Word. To create table in Microsoft Word, you first of all open Microsoft Word in Windows environment, and to do so, locate Microsoft Word icon on a desktop or choose Microsoft Word icon from the taskbar. This line is called taskbar, or any other way that you can open Microsoft Word from your system. Then how to open my own Microsoft Word from the taskbar. Click Microsoft Word, then locate Insert menu. Choose Table, click Insert Table. Then enter the number of columns and rows you want. Like I will enter 4 rows, then 10 columns. Then click OK button, and that's how to create table in Microsoft Word. Thank you and may bless. And don't forget to watch this channel, Computer